Look no further than the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC, alarm, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. Get the pickup that has your back whether you're on a country road, city road, or no road at all. Test drive this extraordinary Honda Ridgeline.